Anyway, we have 4 questions in the first assignment, and you basically just do every one at a time. So first one is quite straightforward, which is only ask you to print the temperature again. All right. And you basically can repurpose our code in our slides for this purpose. Just remember, you need to run your code and take a screenshot. All right, that's it. Okay, so say the file is q1.c. That's the name for your source code, as well as your name for your screenshot, q1.jpg. All right. Second question. So we're going to read inputs and remove the duplicate blanks in between and output something with only one blank. All right. So I have 2 test cases for you to test your code. All right. Once you have those results correct, you should run this additional test case and save a screenshot of this result only. Okay, this is for screenshot submission. That makes sense. Previous 2 is just for your debugging. Okay, you just run it, you see the results correct, perfect. All right. The last one, you run it and you save a screenshot and submit it to me. Okay, makes sense. All right. Yeah. So this is the logic. Moving forward, for the third question, we're going to replace the tab with our special character, okay, either a big greater sign, minor sign, or smaller sign, right? So there are some rules. If it's a tab, it's replaced by greater sign. If it's what is here? Yeah, I think I want to make clear here. It's a /b. Okay, you're going to replace it with the smaller sign. Okay, I didn't explain that. I will update this a little bit later. Okay, but yeah, basically just replace those things with different characters as we asked for. Okay, so the fourth one is to count the number of words. So here we redefine the term of the word. This time we'll say the word has to start with a letter. Okay, so this is different from what we have talked about earlier. Okay, so to define a letter, right? So you have to think about how to figure out what's the difference between a letter and other things, right? So basically, you will look into the idea of ASCII code. Okay, so let me try to. Yeah, I will later on, I will give you some preliminary code here for the fourth question in a little bit, okay? Just to help you determine what's the difference between the letter and the number digits after, all right? Okay, any question before we finish today? No? No, good. All right. All right, thank you everyone.